Hello, everyone. My name is Deacon Tim Donahue. I'm the co-chair of the Social Justice Ministry for the Archdiocese of Boston. I'm coming to you today to ask you to set aside a couple of hours on Saturday morning, October 26th, starting at 10 o'clock. We're going to have a Zoom call with two excellent presenters to talk about caring for creation, a discussion really called forth for all Catholics through the Pope's encyclical Laudato Si, which is now over 8 years old. Our first speaker will be Erin Los Viviano. She's a PhD. She's a theologian at the College of St. Elizabeth in Morristown, New Jersey. She's a researcher in the field of energy ethics, and she's a scholar of the faith-based environmental movement, which is happening all over the country in different places, in different ways, at different speeds of adoption. So we'd like to talk to all of you about this idea of focusing on the moral obligations that we hold as Catholics, obligations we hold to caring for creation. And before we get to all of the things we could do, which I think is overwhelming, I think we should think for a moment about us as Catholics and how caring for creation is part of Catholic social teaching. Yes. It's part of the words. It actually, the origins of this come from words in the Bible and Scripture. Yes, that's part of it. And part of it's solidarity with the poor. The poor are the most vulnerable and the people who are most affected by these changes in the climate. The most important encyclical, perhaps, from a pope in over 100 years is in Laudato Si. And let's take a look at what Pope Francis is calling us to do. How can we perhaps reset our moral compass, to rethink our comprehension of Catholic social teaching, and to grasp the moral imperative that we own as Catholics to embrace this important encyclical. Our second speaker will be Christina Baglio Slentz. She's the Associate Director, Creation Care Office for Life in the Diocese of San Diego. She's an important spokesperson who can kind of bring a real life experience of how do you bring this whole topic to a parish, to a diocese, and then as to the nation, as she is one of the national speakers now talking about caring for creation and Laudato Si. October 26th, 10 a.m. in the morning. More to come about getting a link to this important event. I just wanted to let you know about what we're thinking. Our second part of this two-part series this year will be on March 29th. You'll get more information on that. That will be an in-person event at Boston College High School, and we'll hold, hopefully, a Mass to begin our program, along with a speaker, Andreas Vincini from Boston College, and then we'll have a panel, hopefully, looking at national and international work being done in climate, caring for climate, and finally we'll have workshops and then a marketplace throughout the day at Boston College High School. So just a little bit to give you an update on what's going on with the Social Justice Ministry, and please hold that date for us to get us off to a good start. We'll have a Zoom meeting. We'll break into meeting rooms. We'll give you a chance for feedback and for guidance on how we can do what we do better to help you care for creation. God bless. Thank you very much. Take care.